Hey guys, what's up? Welcome you once again in our channel. It's your friend Arnav from Tech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 useful WhatsApp trick which you must try if you are a WhatsApp user. So let's get started. Guys, before starting this video, I have a request for all of you. Guys, we are trying to reach 100k subscribers in YouTube. So please subscribe our channel and be a part of our channel, and also hit that bell icon to never miss the notifications. Now let's get into the video. Guys, I will suggest to update the WhatsApp before trying the tricks which I will show you in this video. Now the first trick is WhatsApp has given us a latest update by which you can actually send a message to anyone without even saving their number. So here I have got my another phone. Now let's see the trick. So at first click on these three dots and click on the setting. So here you can see option, and I'm gonna open the WhatsApp in my that phone also and go to the same settings, and here you can see the option 2. So if you want to quickly send message to this phone via this phone, what do you need to do? You just need to go to that option, then click on the scan mode, and then you just need to scan this QR code. And once the code is scanned, you can actually easily send the message without even saving the number. So guys, that was the first trick, and here you can see I have received the number. So guys, that was the first trick. If you enjoy this trick, if the trick was helpful, please like the video. Now let's jump into the second trick. Guys, I have seen so many people download third-party apps just to send messages in WhatsApp without coming online. But in this trick, I will show you a simple trick by which you can send a message without even changing your last scene in WhatsApp. So let's check it out. So what you have to do, you need to use your Google Assistant. Click on this. Okay Google, send message to Arnav New in WhatsApp.
Chat with Arnav New, no problem. What's the message?
Please subscribe to Tech Tutorial.
Hi God, please subscribe to Take Tutorial. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send this.
Sending message.
Now here you will see I will receive the message right here, and here you can see the message I have received, and the last scene is also freezed. It is not changed. You can see the timing, and the last scene is also freezed. So like this, you can actually send message through your Google Assistant very quickly without even installing any other app. Now guys, let's move forward to the third trick. Guys, if you want to chat with someone very securely and secretly, then you have to watch this trick. Now let me show you the trick. To send a secure message, what you need to do, you need to open your browser in your phone. Here I am opening the Chrome and search here for privnote.com. So here you can see the link. Just click on this, and here you can see. Now here you have to write something, any secret message you want to send to your friend. I'm gonna say hi, this is a secret message. So you can see I have typed my message. Now what do you need to do? So you can see create note, but before this, click on the show options, and here from here you can actually set the timer also. This message will be destroyed after just reading it, or this message will be destroyed after 1 hour or 24 hours, and you can set this. So here I am just go with the default options, which is after reading it. Now now scroll down a bit, and here you can see a manual password. So you have to set this. So here I am setting the password as 2222, and you need to confirm the password 2222. Then you just need to tap on this create note. Once you will tap on this create note, the link will be generated. Then you just need to copy the link text. Then you will just need to copy the link text and head over to your WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp and send this link to your friend. So here I have sent the link, and now I'm gonna show you what will happen when I will open this link from my another WhatsApp account. And I'm gonna open the link. So you can see the link. Once I clicked on this, it will be redirected to the website, and here you can see show me the note. Once you will click on this, you have to, your friend has to enter the password which you set. So you can tell him the password over phone. Just I have entered 2222. Click on the proceed, and you can see the message is now visible. Hi, this is a secret message. Now if I just quickly move back and if I try to open the link again, what will happen? You can see node destroyed. So the node will be destroyed once it is seen. So guys, that was the trick. If it was helpful, don't forget to like the video. Now let's jump to the trick number 4. Guys, if you struggle while reading a status in WhatsApp, while holding the status with your finger, you just do not have to do this. You just need to watch this trick carefully to read a status without even holding the status with your single finger. So here you can see I have put a step. What you need to do to read this status, you just do not need to hold this with your single finger. You just need to tap on the status with your 3 finger and the status will be freezed right there. So now you can read the status easily like this. So guys, that was the 4th trick. Please give it a try. So guys, finally you have made it to the end of this video. Now I'm gonna show you my last trick. Guys, if you put a lots of status, video status in WhatsApp and your friends like them, and sometimes let's say your friend asks to share the same video with them, what you need to do, you do not need to go to your gallery and scroll down, wasting a lot of time and then find the video and then you're gonna send. What you need to do is go to the WhatsApp and go to the status and then click on the my status. Here you can see I have put 2 statuses. You need to click on this, you need to click on these 3 dots. And here you can see I have set 2 statuses. See, I have set a video status. So how you can share this to your friend? You just need to click on these 3 dots. From here you will have the option to share it in anywhere. You can share it in YouTube, in WhatsApp, in Facebook, anywhere, in Instagram. So here I'm gonna send it to one of my friend in WhatsApp and you can see the status is shared successfully. So guys, that was the last trick. Guys, that's it for today. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like this video and do share the video with your friends. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hope we will see you in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and have a great day.